The Ultimate Hype Locker UK Labubu Review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're hunting for rare sneakers, streetwear or hype collectibles, most people get this wrong by relying on crowded marketplaces with unreliable sellers. The surprising truth about Hype Locker UK Labubu is that it's a dedicated platform offering verified, authentic products, limited drops, and fast shipping across the UK. First, explore the product selection. You won't believe how extensive it is. Exclusive sneakers, hoodies, tees, and accessories from top brands like Nike, Adidas, and Supreme. Every item is verified to ensure authenticity, so you avoid counterfeits. Next, check user reviews. Most people get this wrong by ignoring feedback before purchasing. Customers consistently praise the platform for reliability, smooth checkout, and transparent tracking. Verified buyers help you make informed decisions. Consider promotions and drops. The surprising truth is that Hype Locker UK Labubu regularly hosts limited time drops, often selling out within minutes. Using alerts and signing up for notifications ensures you never miss high demand releases. Finally, review, delivery and support. You won't believe how streamlined the process is. Orders are processed quickly and responsive customer support helps with sizing, returns or any order questions. In conclusion, Hype Locker UK Labubu can take you from 0 to pro in acquiring hype fashion safely and efficiently. By exploring verified products, reading reviews, monitoring drops, and understanding shipping policies, you'll enjoy an authentic shopping experience with confidence and style.